Good morning, students. Today we shall see to construct the tangents to a circle from the point of the circle to a circle with unknown center. The center is not known. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला सेंटर माहिती नाही. Okay, so given is okay. We will write. We will construct first. So we are given that a circle so draw a circle with some radius, right? Its center is unknown and there is a point P which is outside the circle, and through P we have to draw two tangents. The first step is draw a second PAB. Then produce it up to or here produce AP to PC such that this PA will be equal to PC. It means P is the midpoint, P is the midpoint of AC. These two are equal. First step is draw second PAB and then produce BP to PC such that PA is equal to PC. P will be the midpoint of AC. Then this complete BC as a diameter, draw a semicircle. How to draw the semicircle? Means we have to draw the circle. No need to draw the complete circle. We have to draw only half circle. So here what will be the radius? So we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. Then we get if we do like this, then we get the midpoint of BC. And say this is the midpoint, and with this as center, draw a semicircle intersecting this circle at say D. Then actually we don't want this D also. Then at P draw a perpendicular at P. So to draw perpendicular, again take the compass, take some radius and draw two arcs on both sides of PC, and then with this center and more than half distance draw an arc intersecting each other, and from that point, this point, draw a line intersecting this semicircle at B. It means the construction, draw PD perpendicular to BC. Only this. The steps of construction that you have to write. You have to do that steps. Okay. And then with PS center and radius PD, draw the arcs intersecting the circle at T and T dash. with center P and radius radius, draw the arc intersecting the given circle at T and T dash. Then join PT and PT dash. This PT and PT dash are the tangents to the given circle. So, this is the construction. Given it a circle and a point P outside of it. Required is to construct the tangents to a circle through P. Then steps of construction. We are given this, a circle and a point. Then no need to write in the steps of construction, draw a circle and take point P outside of it. No need to write. The first step is, we have draw a second PN. Draw first we have from here to this we have drawn PN. Then second, this BP produce BP to C such that PBA is equal to PC. PA is equal to PC. We have produced this PC to this side. So PA and PC are equal. Then third step. Draw a semicircle. With diameter BC. From B to C, we have drawn the midpoint first. We have to draw the semicircle. For this, so we have drawn first a midpoint and then we have drawn the semicircle. But yeah, in this case, no need to write take more than arm distance and so on and so on. So this step contains all the steps. Fourth step. From P, draw PD perpendicular to BC, intersecting the semicircle at D. Okay, draw PD perpendicular to BC, intersecting the semicircle at D. From P, we have drawn this, we have taken more than some distance in radius and then we have drawn the arcs on both sides of P. Then more than half of this distance, we have drawn one arc with this center and with center this, we have drawn the arc and then we have joined this, we have drawn this PD. Intersecting the semicircle at D. And next step, with P as center and radius PD. Draw an arc. Draw an arc intersecting the circle, the given circle at T and T P dash. And make join PT and PT dash. And therefore PT and PT dash are required tangents. So like this we have to do, and this is not in our book, but sometimes, because last year in the first pre-board this question was asked. So that's why you should know how to draw the tangents when the center of the circle is known and when the center of the circle is not known. So this is the center of the circle is unknown. We don't know here the center of the circle. Thank you.